Elevate your outdoor experience. From must-have gear to expert tips, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and recommendations. Let's get exploring. The Nature Hike 2-Person Tent, the ultimate companion for ultralight trips. Weighing in at just a few pounds, this tent is designed for hikers and campers who prioritize packability without sacrificing comfort. Its quick setup means you can spend less time fiddling with poles and more time enjoying nature. With a durable, weather-resistant fabric, you can rest assured that you'll stay dry and cozy, even in unexpected weather. Looking for the perfect trekking boots? Check out the Hum2 waterproof trekking boots. These boots are designed to tackle any terrain with their durable, waterproof construction, keeping your feet dry and comfortable no matter the conditions. With excellent grip, ankle support, and a lightweight feel, they're perfect for long hikes and outdoor adventures. Introducing the Baseus 3000A Car Jump Starter Power Bank, your ultimate on-the-go power solution. With an impressive 3000 ampere peak current, this compact device can jumpstart your car in seconds, even for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. But that's not all. It also doubles as a power bank to charge your devices with USB ports and a fast charging capability. Whether you're stuck with a dead battery or need extra power on the road, the Baseus 3000A has got you covered. Looking for a compact and powerful cooking solution for your camping adventures? The Wide Sea Camping Cooking System has you covered. This gas stove burner with a built-in heat exchanger maximizes fuel efficiency, boiling water fast even in windy conditions. Its lightweight design and easy setup make it perfect for any backpacker or outdoor enthusiast. With sturdy support for pots and pans, you can cook everything from coffee to full meals on the go. Looking for the ultimate camping companion? Meet the FlexTail Gear Zero Pump, a super lightweight 34-gram portable air pump that takes the hassle out of inflating your sleeping pads and other gear. Whether you're camping, hiking, or backpacking, this tiny but powerful electric inflator will save you time and energy. It's rechargeable, easy to use, and inflates your sleeping pad in seconds, so you can spend more time enjoying the outdoors. Here's why the King Camp camping chair is a must-have for outdoor adventures. This chair combines durability, comfort, and convenience with its sturdy steel frame and breathable fabric, supporting up to 300 pounds while keeping you cool. It's easy to set up, fold down, and carry, weighing just around 7 pounds, so it's perfect for camping, hiking, or even backyard lounging. Meet the Nature Hike Aluminum Alloy Folding Table. This compact table is perfect for camping, hiking, and outdoor picnics. It's crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, making it not only lightweight but also rust-resistant and sturdy enough to hold your essentials. Setup takes just seconds. Simply unfold, lock in place, and you're ready to go. These sleek glasses blend cutting-edge technology with style, offering immersive AR experiences right before your eyes. With a lightweight design and advanced optical display, the X-Real Air 2 Pro lets you enjoy everything from gaming to productivity apps seamlessly integrated into your environment. Plus, the intuitive controls and compatibility with various devices make it perfect for anyone looking to enhance their digital life. Whether you're gaming, working, or exploring new worlds, these glasses are a game changer. The Jisulife Mini Portable Hand Fan, the ultimate travel companion for any season. With 100 adjustable wind speeds, you can find the perfect breeze for every moment. Powered by a 5,000 mAh USB rechargeable battery, it lasts for hours and recharges effortlessly. The sleek LED digital display keeps you informed of battery life and speed settings. Compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel, camping, and outdoor adventures, it's the must-have gadget for staying fresh anytime, anywhere. Are you tired of messy cables and gadgets all over the place? Meet the Pegitech Tech Accessories Pouch, the ultimate solution for organizing your small electronics on the go. This sleek waterproof pouch is perfect for storing cables, chargers, SD cards, and more, keeping them safe and easily accessible. Its durable build and smart compartments make it a must-have for travelers, creatives, or anyone who values a tidy workspace. Introducing the InkyBird NT14BW, the ultimate 3-mode wireless BBQ thermometer. With 4 high-precision probes, this IP67 waterproof device connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, giving you real-time temperature updates straight to your phone. Whether you're grilling, smoking, or roasting, its wide range and precise readings ensure perfectly cooked meat every time. FlexTail Gear Zero Pillow SE, your ultimate travel companion for unmatched comfort. This neck contour inflatable pillow features an ergonomic design that perfectly supports your head and neck, whether you're traveling or lounging at home. Lightweight, washable, and ultra-portable, it fits seamlessly into your bag, ready to go wherever you do. With its quick inflation and deflation plus durable, skin-friendly materials, the Zero Pillow SE ensures a restful experience anytime, anywhere. Introducing the AceBeam L35 2.0, tactical flashlight, the ultimate tool for adventure security and emergency situations. With a staggering 5,000 lumens of brightness and a long-range beam reaching up to 650 meters, this flashlight ensures no corner stays in the dark. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, on a night patrol, or need a reliable companion for emergencies, capture your adventures with the Drift Ghost XL Pro Sport Action Camera. This rugged and versatile camera is designed to withstand the most extreme conditions. With its 4K Ultra HD video recording, stunning image stabilization, and waterproof design, you can capture every moment of your thrilling adventures. From breathtaking mountain peaks to exhilarating water sports, the Drift Ghost XL Pro is your ultimate action camera companion. Edifier MP85, your ultimate portable companion for adventures. Weighing just 70 grams, this compact Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful wireless stereo sound, perfect for camping, hiking, or just relaxing outdoors. With an 8-hour playback time and an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's built to handle splashes, spills, and even rain. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, ensuring your favorite tunes are always with you. Remember, the great outdoors is calling, and it's time to answer. For more outdoor tips, gear reviews, and inspiring adventures, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more detailed information on each item. Until next time, happy adventuring!